Finally, okay, that took a little longer, and trust me, that's a lot harder than it looks. But anyways, today I'm going to be making a video about my Mavic Mini. I finally got one back. I had a replacement one because I lost my drone to the ocean. This is my replacement Mavic Mini, completely sealed. There was no box that came with it, so it's kind of a disappointment. I can't use my knife that I just got. But I did get this battery, so we can use the knife for that. Anyways, while we're unboxing this, let me tell you about what happened to my drone. So I was flying my drone out, you know, getting some good sunset pictures because I actually wanted to do a different video. Talk about that later. During my flight with my drone, the wind came, completely took the drone, and the drone wasn't responding to my controller because normally when the wind comes and it says strong winds, I'm like, okay, let me bring it down. Tried to bring it down, it wouldn't work. Clicked the screen to bring it down, to forcibly bring it down, wouldn't work. The drone then just got taken by the wind, wasn't responding to the controller. I wasn't even that far away from it. Like, the drone was literally above my head. It wasn't even that high up in the air. But wind came, took that bad boy, and completely just took it out into the ocean. And I couldn't even figure out how that happened. At the end of the day, I ended up going, if you guys follow my Instagram, you guys seen that I went into some mosh. And that was not fun at all to go in that mosh, trust me. And after that, I was just like, well, damn, I don't know how I'm gonna get this back. I was lucky enough, I found some guy, he helped me. We used his jet ski to go out to the mosh. I set the drone to like beep and like flash. We went out, could not find it. I went to the last location that was brung up on the map for the drone, couldn't find it. And well, I couldn't. So anyways, I went out into Twitter, said, oh, I'm gonna like make a little tweet at DJI. And after that, I added them. The DJI support team reached out to me, gave me the number to their analyst team, because when I messaged DJI before / called them, they told me that my DJI refresh doesn't actually cover drones loss or replacements, and that's just, I didn't expect that. So in the end, I ended up talking to their analyst team. DJI support, thank you for reaching out to me, but you guys need to work on your emails. Every other email I got was survey email. It was literally a survey email. Every email I got from DJI. And I kept messaging their Twitter team to push their analyst team to message me back. Eventually, their Twitter team's like, all right, we're going to reach out to the analyst team. They got your thing. They're going to reach out to you soon. The next day, their analyst team reached out to me, gave me a list of things. I told them I needed a battery too because I was lost. They were like, okay, this is how much it's going to be. So the pricing will be thrown up onto the screen over here, and you will see how much this drone was. Pretty much, the drone was kind of expensive. It was $337. They gave me like a $50 discount. But anyways, the video that I was supposed to be making was with this ND filter, and it was supposed to be an ND filter. I had a bunch of footage and a bunch of pictures of the ND filters for like sunsets and taking them out in the day. I was really disappointed that like the drone was just lost to the wind. I wasn't flying it high. The analyst team says I was, but I really wasn't. I don't know what happened. The drone didn't reach that high altitude, but I guess to them, what their data showed, it reached it eventually, but it wasn't that high when I was like flying it, and the drone just took off and just kept going up. I don't know what was wrong with it. I wasn't responding to my controller or anything. Anyways, that's pretty much my experience with DJI. If you really have problems with your drone, just reach out their Twitter. You should always reach out to someone's Twitter for companies because their Twitter team literally responds to you, and they'll make sure that the support team gets it. That's pretty much it. So I got my replacement drone, really happy with it. Hopefully we get that ND filter video out soon, but all my days have been cloudy since then, and I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to get that sunny day to actually use the ND filters. Normally with the cloudy days like this, I use UV filters. Anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. This really wasn't the video I wanted to make. I really wanted to bring out the ND filter video, but all that footage was completely lost. Now that I have a new drone, I just need to save up for a micro SD card. So hopefully that works out. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time.